Seeing an access denied error when using WinRAR, it usually means Windows is blocking access to the archive, folder, or destination you're working with. The fix is often pretty simple. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions. First, check where you're trying to extract the files. If you're using a protected location like Program Files or another system folder, Windows may prevent WinRAR from writing there. Try creating a new folder somewhere simple, such as your documents or desktop, and extract the archive there. If the error continues, try running WinRAR with administrator privileges. Close WinRAR, open the Start menu, search for WinRAR, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Then open the archive and try the extraction again. Yeah, this can resolve permission-related problems pretty quickly. Next, check the permissions on the folder you're using. Right-click the destination folder, choose Properties, and open the Security tab. Make sure your Windows account has permission to write to that folder. If you don't have the required permissions, you may need an administrator account to change them. Another thing to check is whether the files or folder are marked as read-only. Right-click the folder, select Properties, and look at the Attributes section. If read-only is enabled, change it if appropriate, apply the setting, and then try extracting again. Sometimes Windows security or third-party antivirus software can block an extracted file, especially if it detects something suspicious. Check your security notifications or protection history to see whether a file was blocked. Don't disable your antivirus just to force an extraction. If you're confident the archive is safe, verify it using the security software's available options. If the problem still happens, test the archive in WinRAR and check the file path. A damaged archive, missing volume, or unusually complicated folder path can cause extraction problems. Move the archive to a simple folder, such as Documents, and try again. If it's a multi-part archive, make sure all parts are present. Finally, if none of these steps work, the archive itself may be damaged or your current copy may be incomplete. Download it again from a trusted source and extract it to a new folder. So start with the destination folder and permissions first, because those are usually the quickest fixes, and that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes gets WinRAR working normally again.